Hi guys, this is Hendrik Stay here. Today we are going to play some games. This one is called Motor Racer. I place his name here, Snupka, yeah. And next, play solo. So, single race, speedway, selecting this map, yeah. Continue. Next I'm going to select a bike that has the best acceleration and best max speed. Start. It's about to start. It's getting very heavy. That's the game. Now I'm trying to get a better place here. Yes, just a little little trick. Now we're going to catch them. Yeah, we're getting first. So, we need to play games. Yes, faster. Yes, we are getting... Oh yeah, that was a big mistake. We are going back to the top. Yeah, we're giving all our best. You always have to give best in games. You have to work very hard to get that special first place. You have to give 100% of yourself. Nothing to be hold for the next game. Every game is like the last. You have to be #1 top pro. Nothing else is accepted. It's not an option. Place #2 is not an option. Get it? Yes. Don't be a bitch. Try to get the top placing every time you play. Not second, not third. Always the first. Only the first. Fucking first. Yes. Don't be like a little bitch. Like you can't get first place and first record time.